Okay, we have a Hyundai Horizontal Machining Center model HS400, serial number G3705-0045. Machine was built in 2008, installed new in 2012. We're going to run it for you. Machine has a FANUC 18i MB control. You have a pallet, it's 15 3/4 or 400 millimeter. Right now we are running 2,500 RPM. Machine goes up to 15,000 RPM. We had the spindle rebuilt. That's 5,000 RPM. That's a Cat 40 Big Plus spindle. I'm sorry, how many? 7,500 RPM. That's 10 grand, 10,000 RPM. Spindle stopped. We are going to do a tool change. We're going to do another one. Machine is also equipped with THRU spindle coolant, 1,000 PSI. All right, that was the second tool change. We're going to do a pallet change. Round and round the carousel goes. Okay. One more. Great. Okay. That's rotating the pallet. Pallet's 1 degree. That's your Z. Your X. And your Y. X, Y, Z, and B. You saw the spindle run and you've seen a tool change. Hey, thank you for watching our video.